Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest reviews to help you navigate the ever-expanding world of beauty products. Today, we're looking at a product duo from L'Oréal Paris, the Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Caffeine Hydrating Eye Serum and the Hyaluronic Acid Water Cream with Ceramides. It promises to give your skin a hydrated, youthful boost by tackling dark circles, crow's feet, and fine lines. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. L'Oréal's Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid plus Caffeine Hydrating Eye Serum is designed to reduce dark circles and crow's feet. It contains both pure hyaluronic acid and caffeine, two heavy hitters when it comes to hydration and revitalization. The serum comes with a unique triple roller applicator that has 3 stainless steel balls for a cooling, massaging experience. This eye serum promises noticeable results in just 2 weeks, according to a clinical study from 2021. Alongside it, the Revitalift Derm Intensives Water Cream offers a powerful face moisturizer. It features microhyaluronic acid to help your skin absorb moisture and plump-locking ceramides to help seal it in. The formula is non-greasy and absorbs quickly, leaving skin feeling softer and smoother without clogging pores. It's designed to visibly smooth fine lines and boost moisture levels by over 50%. I tested both of these products over several days, and here's what I found. The serum is light yet hydrating, and the cooling roller applicator feels really refreshing, perfect for those mornings when you wake up looking a little more tired than you'd like. The formula sinks in quickly without leaving any greasy residue behind, which is a big win for me. I did notice my eyes feeling less puffy after just a few applications, and the dark circles gradually became less noticeable. The claim of reducing crow's feet took a bit longer, but with consistent use, there was definitely an improvement. As for the water cream, it has a slightly thicker texture compared to the serum, but still absorbs very quickly. I love that it doesn't feel heavy on the skin, which can be a problem with some moisturizers, especially for those who have oily or combination skin. My skin felt soft and hydrated, and I didn't experience any breakouts or irritation. Over time, my skin looked more bouncy and radiant, and fine lines around my mouth and forehead appeared smoother. Let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros? Well, both products are incredibly hydrating, and they perform as advertised when it comes to brightening and plumping the skin. I really love the cooling roller on the serum, and the cream's ability to deeply hydrate without feeling heavy is a game changer. The packaging is sleek, and the products are dermatologist tested, which always gives me confidence in what I'm putting on my skin. The cons? If you're not a fan of fragrance, you might find the scent of the water cream a bit too much, though it fades quickly. Also, while both products are great for hydration, they might not be the best choice for very dry or sensitive skin types in need of more intense moisture. The price point could also be a factor for some people, especially considering you can find similar alternatives at a lower price. When it comes to value for money, the duo offers solid performance. The combination of hyaluronic acid and caffeine in the serum delivers excellent hydration, while the ceramides in the cream help lock it in. However, there are more affordable products that provide similar results, like Neutrogena's Hydro Boost line or CeraVe's Hydrating Cream. The build quality is solid, with the serum's rollerball applicator offering a unique touch, making it easy to apply without making a mess. Both products are packaged in sleek, modern jars, and the cream's texture feels luxurious yet practical for everyday use. Customer support for L'Oréal has been pretty reliable in my experience. They tend to offer responsive customer service, and if you ever have any issues, they're usually quick to address them. As for product alternatives, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, you might want to check out products like Olay's Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream or The Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid Serum, which are both highly regarded for their hydrating properties at a lower price point. So, what's the final verdict? The L'Oréal Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Caffeine Hydrating Eye Serum and Hyaluronic Acid Water Cream duo certainly lives up to its claims. It offers solid hydration, and both products help with the appearance of dark circles and fine lines. It's ideal for someone who wants to maintain a youthful look while also keeping their skin plump and hydrated. However, if you're on a budget or looking for something more intensive, There are other options out there that might suit your needs better. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link to purchase these products is in the description box below. If you've used these products or are thinking about trying them, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.